Guys, they're coming like. Really.
Did I hit you? Is it geese? Yeah, no. Hey, Will, bring me the ammo. Go, move in. Run, jump. Spread out, spread out. Ow! 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 Oh. Go. Realification. Let's go. Oh. Yeah. Whoa. What? Oh, he's doing bull frogs. Hey. Joel, you lit me up. Oh. Hey, Will, run over there. Not Will. Did you get that on camera? Did you get that on camera?
Okay, he got.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. I was watching you.
He got that big welt on him.
Let me see my work. Well, now you got a welt like Wyatt's. Yeah, here you go.
It's not like you wanted to.
You guys get that on film? That was so cool.
Yeah.
Ben, let's go light him up. Hey, you guys go this way. You're on the opposite team, Brayden. Guys, shoot him. Let's go a 3-shot round. You gotta get hit 3 times to be out.
No. Next game, I guess.
We don't have next game.
Why do we have to have Ben on our team?
Ben doesn't.
No, ow, that's deadly.
Good, I get more welts. Alright, I got it. Will! Hey, give me the ammo. You out? Yeah. I'm not out.
Where are you guys out?
Come on, jump up.
I would jump up. I just jump up. Yeah, I can make it. Oh god.
Face shot. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah, in the face.
Guys, go one again.
Oh god.
Dude, you guys just like having the battle down there, and then he like get over here. Boom.
No, you're still out, but he made everybody back in the game.